Alright, so this episode won't be as long because my dumbass forgot to charge all 3 batteries for my good camera, so I had to go back to filming with my phone for this episode. Before I get into the work done for day 6, let's quickly go over what I actually bought from the junkyard I visited back in day 3. So for 75 bucks, I managed to get a JDM steering wheel from the Japanese version of these wagons, which is called the Toyota Sprinter Carib. A full set of pre-facelift sealed beam headlights, this single-din cup holder that was made by the guy who owns the junkyard, a replacement driver's side air vent, and a replacement gauge cluster face. The reason I got the new gauge cluster face is because the horn button was moved to this red button, which means a hole was drilled in the plastic to fit this. I'll be able to have a working factory horn button again with the JDM steering wheel, so I won't be needing this horn button anymore. Anyways, on to the work for day 6.
quantum leap, Uda kakmeji, do the 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 quantum leap, leap. 朝まで動かせ声上げな、朝まで動かせ手を上げな、朝まで動かせ声上げな、お待たせこの場で花間上手のように10年見張った MC 揺れる天地言葉一心伝心カリキュラムインタラクティブ脱落マップ2つに割るぜラインにそこらのサイズにおしゃべりプレイヤーヘインか弱気を一人ぼっちやめときなら矢の秋子 Yo I'm acting now boom boom like サッカーやマイクレボガンガンと上げなよ散々どこへかれるまで流れ呼吸困難になる100ネバーあくび行くぜ本番3000年まで待ってんねんあと1000年カウントダウンアンサンブルマンサングルランシューおわんがこの弱肉強調社会で身元確認チェック1 2 AC スプートニック世間巡る秩序に敵かここやもがデビアス手に汗握るニューセイフローシートベルト着用キューメイトインプレイトウェンアリストテレス Can't figure this in the labyrinth みんなチョンチョン like 飛び箱呼びながらメディカル It's time I give up 朝まで動かせ声上げな朝まで動かせ手を上げな朝まで動かせ声上げなお任せこの場で I say that Gracious 魂光るステータス目立ち生活計画的に目はかけるI see the 音楽業界かけてるよ必要な土台冷めてるやつ頭中商売だけなやつ Get struck by the meteorite 3次元ベクトル空間歪んだレンズ持ち嗅覚弱い勘違い集団目がけ打つエモーショナルな放射能で周りはもうスメドリーン交渉恐怖症 Can't be when you're rising だ状況を改善社会面敵 make you clap to this 空中7回転無事着地すなわち水の泡 passing you by like high からさダンマがたく間に浴び switching styles like 宝塚朝まで動かせ声上げな朝まで動かせ手を上げな朝まで動かせ声上げなお待たせこの場で ABC and flow with the show like AKG Yazawa correct
So now that both the fenders are done, for now, my next area to attend to is both of the front doors, as they both have these dirty rust spots and around the same spot. Hopefully these both don't need a shit ton of work, and hopefully these don't take nearly as long to finish as the fenders. After that, I'll probably turn my attention to either the rocker panels or the 2 rust holes I found in the frame structure. Anyways, that's all for this episode. Thanks for watching, everyone, and as always, peace out.
The motherfucking world is a ghetto, full of magazines, full clips, and heavy metal when the smoke settles. I'm just looking for a big yellow. In 6-inch stilettos, Dr. Dre. Hello. Percolating, keep 'em waiting while you sitting there hating. Your bitch is hyperventilating, hoping that we penetrating. You get snating, cause I never been to Satan. But hardcore administrating, gangbang affiliating. MC Winner had you wildin' off a zone and a whole half a gallon. Get the dialing, 911 emergency. You can tell him, it's my son, he's hurting me. And he's a felon, on parole for robbery. Ain't no copping a plea, ain't no stopping a G. I'm in the 6, you got to hop in the 3. Company monopoly, you handle shit sloppily. I drop a key.